What's up, everybody? It's Marsellis here, back with another video. And if you haven't signed up for Robinhood yet, click that link in the description and you'll get a free stock for signing up. And let's begin. So today we're going to be talking about Doordash. Right now, Doordash is valued at $140.50, and actually on a Friday they went up a whole 9%. That is a huge jump from where they were, because they've been trading down for a very long time now. They just now IPO'd, so they just now came in right here at 182, and they didn't start that long ago. If you look here, they haven't even been up here for 4 months. It's been December 8th. It's been just about 4 months actually, but yeah, it's December, somewhere around the beginning of December they started, and they've just been going down. They shot up when they first started, which they did drop at first, but then when they did shoot up, they shot up really high, 198, 215. And if you come down here, you can see this happened with a lot of stocks during the pandemic. So you look at Airbnb kind of had the same thing. So with Airbnb, let's go. Yeah, right here, you can see Airbnb started, but when they jumped, they did not drop. Airbnb kept going up, 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 and up. And it's kind of the same thing with Zoom, but Zoom's been going on for longer than both of those. And Zoom was used heavily during the whole pandemic. Everybody needed Zoom, so in retrospect, Zoom just kept going up, 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 and up. And yeah, Zoom started back here at 2019, and they've just been increasing, but now they're steadily decreasing as people are using Zoom a lot less. Now that everything's opening up more, people don't need to use Zoom as much, but Zoom is going to be implemented into our society heavily. Like, people are going to be using Zoom for a long time now. Zoom is not going anywhere, and I feel the same exact way about Doordash. Almost everybody is using rideshare stuff like this. They're all delivering stuff, and I actually do DoorDash. And if you look over here, I live in Florida, and as you can see, everywhere in Florida you go, DoorDash is giving extra money for people delivering, because they're having even more people buying. So there's so many people using DoorDash right now that they have to give drivers more money, so then the more drivers will be more motivated to go out and make that money. And without drivers, DoorDash is nothing. So DoorDash is giving drivers this money, and it's all over Florida, all over everywhere really, but it's really hot in Florida right now. They're not showing me anything for South Florida, they're only showing me Central, but if I move down around here in South Florida, then they'll start showing me that. But yeah, as you can see, everywhere is very, very hot. Here is where I am right now, Ocala, Florida. I sometimes do DoorDash in Ocala, and then Gainesville, Florida is the home of the University of Florida. So DoorDash is really hot over there. I used to live over there, and I used to rake in about $200 every day off DoorDash. And I was doing it like crazy. I would do about 10-15 hours every day just driving around the University of Florida. I would even do Lyft and Uber and all that. And you can make a lot of money doing that, and DoorDash is going to keep growing because of just their whole business model. Like, they're compensating the drivers heavily. Like, per delivery you get not $250, but $2.50 per delivery. Like, let's say you get $5 delivery, now you got $7.50, and you get one delivery about every I would say every 25 minutes. That's how it was with me in DoorDash. Like, it would take me about 25 minutes, 10 minutes to finish some deliveries, the short ones. But yeah, DoorDash is definitely gonna go up over time. And as we can see here, can't see that, let me pause this real quick. All right, just had to pause that real quick. But yeah, as we can see, DoorDash is gonna continue to go up. Let's go back over to that article that we were at. It was this article, I believe. Yep, this article right here. So yeah, they mention a lot of good stuff on here. So it says, and they are rapidly accelerating their offerings of convenience items. They have several partnerships, including 7-Eleven and their personal favorite, which is Wawa, Casey's General Store, and Circle K. Then in August, they expanded that to include CVS and Walgreens. Yes, DoorDash is now delivering with CVS, Walgreens, Circle K, Wawa, and in March, we got that update, and they'd be selling COVID-19 testing kits directly to customers' doors. So now DoorDash is now selling COVID-19 testing kits directly to customers, and drivers get tested for free. And there's a lot of opportunity for expansion, as you can see. and DoorDash is just going to continue to go up. And just imagine if Walmart and DoorDash partnered up, and then people could actually deliver DoorDash with Walmart, like how Instacart is. Like, that's going to go crazy. People already don't like shopping. The whole pandemic thing is already freaked people out enough. So people really, they're not that big on shopping. So DoorDash is taking over the industry. So I really have a bullish outlook for DoorDash. And I really feel like everyone should have a bullish outlook for DoorDash. Like, DoorDash just started, and it started at $180. So that means that the company's valuation is more than $180, but that's just where they started at. So I really do believe as we go on in the future, DoorDash could be just like Zoom, how Zoom is at 300 right now. Zoom went all the way up to 500, I believe. And I really do believe DoorDash is more than a $180 stock. Same with Zoom. I feel like Zoom is at a good point right now. It was overpriced at $500, and DoorDash would be overpriced if it was $500. I think Zoom should be around $250 right now, maybe $200, and then DoorDash $140 is actually a very good price for it. I really wish I would have got in around $123 because that was the perfect price, and then it just started, going up, and I really do believe we can go all the way up to $200. Now, that's a lot of growth from $140 to $200. So I would definitely watch out for DoorDash, because you can really double your money really quick from $140 all the way up to $280. I really believe that can happen easily, and we just need to give DoorDash some time to grow. And as you can see, Uber, Lyft, all that, they're all doing very good. Uber is right here. Uber is actually doing pretty good. It's been doing good because of the pandemic, and like everybody's been needing to use Uber. Everybody's been needing to use DoorDash. Like Uber, it's kind of been trading sideways for 3 months, but it's kind of a good sign, because they trade sideways, they jump. They trade sideways some more, they trade sideways some more, and right around now we're getting ready for a jump, just like how they did. So I would definitely watch the rideshare companies, especially DoorDash, since it's such a new company. And DoorDash focuses solely on delivery, and Uber, they got their hands in two bags. They got their hands inside the delivery, and they got the ride share. So Uber is a little more widespread than DoorDash. So I definitely think DoorDash is gonna just dominate this market. And yeah, definitely watch out for DoorDash. If you haven't signed up for Robinhood now, if you sign up, you will get a free stock. So sign up with the link in the description and get your free stock now. And yeah, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video.